In this video, I'd like to explain to you about the SL keyer option. This is a licensable option for any MLS-X1 and provides an additional group of 4 keyers which can be added to any ME bus which has 4 or less keyers assigned to it. So if you first of all, you go to the setup page, you look at your system setup, and on here you can see whether your ME buses are in a standard mode or split mode. So on my fourth processing unit, you can see it's been split into 2 MEs, which is ME3 or ME4. If I then go to the switcher menu and look at the configuration, you can see ME3 and ME4 both currently have 4 keyers assigned. And I can move my keyers in groups of 2, so maybe give ME3 2 keyers and ME4 6 keyers. Or let's do ME3 with 6 keyers, which will automatically configure ME4 with 2 keyers. Once that's done, I've now got the option for ME4 to add on my soft layer key group, like that. It's also evident if you go to the ME menu itself, if you go to ME4, you can see for key 5, 6, 7, 8 have come in and they've got the SL key illuminated or selectable. Each of the 4 SL keyers allow you to insert additional graphic elements to an ME bus. The source and fill for each is its own dedicated FM buffer, so the keyed image comes from an imported or captured image. It cannot be a live source. Each keyer also includes a repositioner, but not a resizer. You just need to ensure the key source is the required size. So let's have a look at how this works in practice. So on ME4, you can see key 5, 6, 7, 8 are now activated. So if I select key 5, it then added these additional tabs, which is SL key at the bottom. So if I select SL key, this is my memory recall part for the keyer. I can load images from the static drive into the RAM, and once they're into the RAM, I can use them on my on-air buffer. So on key 5, where I recall, we can recall this logo at the bottom. It's a video key pair, and if I turn key 5 on, you can see that's brought it on screen. And I can turn the image as well, whatever I want of my recalled images. So let's leave this bug, which is live TV, on the screen. It's on air. Let's also look at soft layer key 6. So if I go to key 6, I turn key 6 on, and then I can again choose my image from that accordingly. And for example, if we put another bug in there, you can see the two now obstruct each other on the screen. As I mentioned, each of these SL keyers has a repositioner but not a resizer. So if I turn this on, I turn the resizer on, and I can move the image around the screen as required. In the group of 4 SL keys, they have their own priority, so you can select any of the keys to be on top of each other, those group of 4. And that group of 4 can also stick in the priority stack of that ME bus in any position. So if I look at the key priority menus, you can select, there's a current key priority, I can move my soft layer keyer as a group wherever I want in my current stack. I hope this gives you a better understanding of the SL key operation.